Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with an amazing video, why I sold all my layer chickens at week 72. Let's get started. So before then, if you are looking at starting your own poultry farm, this is the number one and very affordable poultry house construction. So why I sold all my layer chickens at week 72. I sold them at week 72 not because they were not laying well. Of course, they were laying well, very well. But the only challenge that I faced was because of how bad the chicken house was. So I decided to nail roofing sheets at the wall to prevent them from pecking on the wall. But still, the problem was not solved. I managed. So I kept on managing until I can no longer continue managing them because I don't want to put them at risk. So I decided to sell them out and prepare for another fresh batch. That is why I'm going to renovate the house, make sure I plaster all so that they will not be able, so that the next batch will not be able to be pecking on the wall. So while I prepare to start the next batch, and if you are looking at starting your own poultry farm, why not join me, and I promise to hold you by the hand and show you the process of how you can start your own little poultry farm. As I normally say, or I normally advise, if you want to start starting your own poultry farm, all you need to do is to start small and grow big. If you want to start, you can start. If 10 beds are not too small to start with, the only thing that you need is to acquire that basic knowledge. And I can assure you that you'll be successful in your own poultry farming. So this is the reason why I sold out all my layer chickens, to prepare a fresh start in this 2026, because some people may be wondering, why did I sell them at that early stage? 72 is not too early, rather it's still okay. I wanted them to stay more than 72 weeks because they were laying eggs very well. So I had to let them go while I prepare and then start afresh and come back even more stronger. So thank you so much for always watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and I promise to take you along. The next video will be out by next week on how we are going to do the construction